Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel lessons for today. Today, I have a challenge which was really posed by one of my friends. He said he has really worked on a data, that's Ghana's growth forecast from 1960 to 2024. Now, the assumption is based on the output gap and also up to the terms of trade growth. Now, the boss says that no, he wants the results in such a way that the 12 row should be the first. Now, what came to mind is that then it means he has to copy each row and paste. So what he was proposing was that, okay, fine, he has to copy this, control copy and paste, or simply a control and control V to paste, and that would take quite a time to really be copying and pasting. So he asked of me a shorter and a C do this. So I said, okay, fine, to do this there are so many ways of doing this. You can go to the long way or use the functions or even Power Query to solve for this. I used simple Excel functions, index and row, to solve this. So what it means is that he wants the 12 row here, or the 12 line item, to be the first one here. Then the second will be the 11. So I just did them 12 minus 1. Okay, so we'll do that up to 1. So let me see. Okay, so that is it. We won't have a 0 here. So he wants the 12 line item and the terms of trade to be the first. So what I propose for him is to use the function index. So we start equal to index. Then we select our array. Then this one will use a mixed referencing. So we'll block twice. F2, so we are blocking the rows, then comma, we use the rows function with an S. We open our parentheses, select the same range. This time we are just blocking the last row and column, so F4 is blocked. Then we close our parentheses, then we close the index formula. Voila, there you see. So the 12 item, we have the terms of trade. When we quickly drag this down, you can see that it then upturn the list, what you have up here. So you can see that the output gap now becomes the last item. Quickly, we can just select this and drag it to the left when you have the crosshair. So you can see the items, it has now been really copied automatically or upturn the list of data vertically. So in the terms of trade growth, which it's this, is this. So this is in a different format, a raw format. If I want in the same format, I can just use the format painter. So I can select the whole range of the data, go to format painter and just really paint it on this one, and voila, I'll have it in the same format. So you can see that the data is now the same. It has been upturned or inverted. So this is how, or this is the solution I provided for my friend Kwesi. Thank you very much for following me, and if you have any challenge, don't hesitate to contact me for me to give you simple Excel solutions. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.